What is up, everybody? My name is Chris Stewart, and welcome to Stew Down South. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for clicking on the video. I've got a little bit different one planned today. I hadn't done one of these videos this year, and I'm excited because it is my favorite time of year to catch these fish. And we're gonna get out here and we're going to grind it out and hopefully make something happen. So yeah, you guys just tag along. I got a couple little tips and tricks that I do with these sheepshead, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and maybe we'll catch some fish today. Thank you for tuning in. Let's catch some fish. I'm going to start out using my Carnage 3, the 7-foot medium heavy fast. He has fast action. This Frisky Fins 3/8 ounce knocker jig with a 5000 Saragossa XG and some live shrimp. They didn't have any feather crabs today, so I'm going to try to use some live shrimp. I just raked up these 3 areas right there, right there, and right there. So I'm gonna start out fishing these and see what happens. Oh, this water's about to be cold. Just gonna hook him through his tail so he sits natural. Holy. Oh, yes, sir. Oh. Bro, look at the size of this sheep's head. Oh my goodness. Freaking dinosaur. Come on, let's go. 20-incher. Oh, let's go. Sweet, man. Hammered him. All right. All right, we got him on the scale. Measuring board, he is just short of 20 inches. So that is a nice one to start with. He's going to be a good eating fish, and we're going to get back to it. Thank you, buddy. All right, got another shrimp going down on that sheepshead jig. As soon as I chummed. It's a donkey. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Nice. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that fish. Oh my goodness. He's got that jig buried in the corner. Oh, such a big fish. Another really big and healthy sheepshead. I'm gonna say this one's all of 20. That last one was right under it, and this guy's a little bit bigger, so I'm soaking. As soon as I got done chumming, I dropped down and wham. Ooh, that's a big fish. Oh yeah, 21 inches. See it right there, 20's right there, 21 inches. His tail's kind of filed up. Oh, that's a big fish. Thank you, buddy. You're gonna be good eating fish tonight. Alrighty, so we just put number 2 in the box. Yeah, he's 21 inches. If you're wondering, the regulations in Alabama for these sheepshead are 12 inches, and you can have 10 of them. So plenty of them. You can keep plenty of these fish. They do come in abundance of size here. So let's get back down and see if we can catch another one. Get us another shrimp and get back down immediately. Get them while they're hot. I don't plan on keeping 10 of these fish, but I would like a couple to eat. Knew it. Knew it. One after another. Get in here. Let's go. Got another one, baby. Got another. That one is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Alrighty. Number 3 of the day. Not as big as the last 2, but this one will eat just fine. Happy I'm on them. Happy they're chewing. That frisky fin just hanging out. Barely got him, but it held on. Alright. Right at 16 and a half. Phew. Let's get him in the box. Let's keep fishing. Goodness, if this is a sheepshead, it is a dog. No way this is a sheepshead. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh, it's a giant. It is a giant. It is a giant. Oh. Oh. Come on, get in the net. Let's go. Gosh, that's a big one. Oh my goodness. They keep getting bigger and bigger. Look at that. Buried that knocker jig right in there. It almost come out the other side. Oh my goodness, that's such a big fish. Let's go. Love hearing those little Saragosas sing. Whew. Absolute unit of a sheep's head. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. That one's gonna be, I think, 22. The last one was 20, or the last one was 16. The one before that one was 21. I think this one's gonna go 22. So let's see. Look at that thing buried up. Thing is money. Frisky Fins knocker jig. You can pick them up in store locally. I'm pretty sure he has a website. You get on there, pick out which ones you want. It's measuring for sure. Actually, this one must be wider. Seemed like he's a lot longer. This one's right at 20 3/4, almost 21. Must just be a lot wider. Anyway, who cares? He fought like a monster, so let's get him in the box. All right. Another shrimp going back down. Oh snap, here he is. Got him! Oh no. That's a black drum. That's a black drum. I'm gonna break him off. Oh my God. Oh, look at this fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that sheep's head. Come here. Come on. Get in the net. Get in the net. Get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, dude. Unit. Let's go. Oh, that is a freaking giant. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't even. Oh my goodness. He inhaled that frisky. Ow. That Frisky Fins knocker jig. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my goodness. Look where he, way down in there. Way down in there. And these sheep's heads, they eat crustaceans. Shrimps, crabs, barnacles, all that type of fun stuff. But I'm curious to know how big he is. He is 20, almost, he's 21 3/4. He's almost 22 inches. Oh, that is a big fish, man. I was for sure that was gonna be one of those giant black drum, but he kind of started giving me line back. But let's get him in the box. You. Well, I said I was gonna leave after that one, but I think I'm gonna drop back down for one more. I've got 5, so. Oh crap. Lost him. Dang, that was a big one. Thought I hit that one hard enough, but I guess I didn't. Well, 5 for 6 is not too bad. All right, I got a sticky this time. Lost him. shook the hook. Shook the hook. I saw him too. That was another nice one. Thought I had him locked up. Goodness, goodness, goodness. All right, here he is. About to flip this one. Let's go. Number 6 of the day. I've missed 2 since catching this one, but I think I'm gonna let this guy go. I've got 5 of them that are pretty good size, and this one I feel like deserves to go back. So a little 17.5 incher, 16, 17, a little over 6, yeah, a little over 17.5. And there he goes. Sweet, what an awesome day. I think I'm gonna drop a few more of these shrimp. I might catch one more, I keep saying that, but we'll see what happens. Well, that is our finished day right there. Ended up with 6. I think I missed 2 or 3 and released 1, so man, that is going to be some good eating fish. And I want to thank you guys for staying till the end and watching, and you know, thank you so much for watching these videos. That kind of got back to the basics of what got me started into YouTube, is walking around different places and trying to find fish. And yeah, so it's good to get back out here and, you know, do what it's, you know, I started with in the beginning. So thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna get these fish home, get them cleaned up, put them in the freezer, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.